Fake teeth cannot be whitened. However, unlike natural teeth, fake teeth do not stain from exposure to things such as coffee and tobacco. Fake teeth are created in a dental lab using either porcelain or acrylic resin. This material can be tinted to reach a desired shade. Once the porcelain or acrylic sets, the color cannot be changed. There are several different kinds of fake teeth including implants, fixed bridges, partials and dentures. When an implant or partial is made, a dentist uses a shade chart to match the shade of the natural teeth. However, when dentures are made, many patients choose a whiter shade for their false teeth. So in conclusion, fake teeth cannot be whitened. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.